Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to download apps without a payment method on iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you want to download any app without using your payment method, so let's see how we can do that. You just have to simply open your app store and here just tap on the profile icon at the top right, then tap on your Apple ID and you just have to try to remove your payment method. So just tap on manage payments option here and just try to remove the payment method. Once you have removed your payment method, just go back from here, then tap on your country or region option and just select your own country or region in which you are living or the country or region which you have selected in your iPhone settings. So for example, I'm going to select this one here. Just tap on the continue option and then tap on the green at the top right. And now on this page, you just have to select this none option from here. After selecting none option, you have to enter your billing address correctly. So enter your street. These two are optional, so you can skip them. Then enter your postcode. If you don't know about this, you can search for Google, enter your town, your country, your phone number, your name, and after all, just have the none option at the top right. And once you have done, your country or region will be changed, your billing address will be updated, and your payment method will be removed from your Apple ID. And once you have done, just go to your App Store. Now there are a lot of free apps which you can easily install without your payment method. So in this way, you can easily download apps without payment method on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.